Pause music.
No, it's all right. So I'm doing accelerate to wide open throttle. So with Caleb and I just replaced a cam sensor and a sub harness on this Avalanche, and I was like, I was checking out the radio install here. He also said when he hits a bump, right, that the car shuts off, but there was no battery hold down. Maybe that's the secret compartment where he hides all his money and dope. Okay, I guess we're done.
Well, that was your crankshaft distance sensor relearned.
Hold on. That's okay. I just wanted to see something here. What syncs cam and crank? What do you think of that radio install?
I've seen worse.
I really haven't seen worse. So I check this out. So I watched some YouTube video about shops refusing to work on cars. I think there's only been like 3 here that I've refused to work on. One was a girl that had her phone cord strapping her hood down and argued with me that it's perfectly fine, and she wanted me to change her oil, and I was like, nah, we're not doing that. And then she got all belligerent and called me racist and all kinds of other shit. Get the hell out of here. And we had the older guy where his car smelled like he pissed in it. Like, that's his bathroom. So I worked on it once, and then Rachel, he came back for more work, and Rachel got in it, and she wouldn't even bring the car in. And I just said, all right, well, forget it. I'm done working on people's cars that are like that. So yeah, like his front seat was his toilet.
A shop denied my friend. Well, they didn't deny him. He asked if they would work on his car, and they said if he's catless, they wouldn't touch it.
Yeah. So certain inspection centers, state inspection and emission centers, they won't work on it. They don't want to be involved in any of the bullshit for tampering, because they're supposed to be upholding EPA and federal laws and guidelines and stuff like that.
Yeah,
so by them working on it, you're helping that consumer defy state and federal laws and polluting and things like that. So